How to check someone's last location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Find My helps you locate your Apple devices and friends who share their location. Once you're here, you can view a map of your location and a default menu. Go to the bottom and tap on the People tab, as shown, to view all the people who have shared their location with you. Here, tap on the name of the person whose location you want to check. You can now view their last or current location on the map above and see if they are sharing their live location and for how long. You can also share your location with that person and stop sharing it when you no longer need to share your location. Following these steps, you can easily check someone's last location on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.